can't tell because my arm was just breaking before that.
Gave me the creeps, and that door is shut. Like, she saw me, like, take off running around there.
Did they used to... I think I just heard somebody say Dave.
Hello, is anybody down there? Oh, shit. Are there any Negroes in the tunnel below? I'm sorry? Adam, where are you? Right here? Okay. Is there somebody down here that does not like Negroes? Yeah, you're being quiet now, aren't you? Where are you at, buddy? Anyone, any of the spirits in here right now, what is my name? You know me, come on. Well, that was interesting. Eugene Belden? You just said you were here, correct? Here? What? Gus, what's my name? As loud as you can, please say your name. What's your name, sir?
Micah, for what you did to this child, they killed you, didn't they?
Okay, what are your names? I'm sorry, Jonathan.
Michael, are you a Negro?
Yeah. Micah, do you stay in the basement? Do you stay in the chamber down there? Thanks, Michael. We appreciate it, buddy.
Someone watched from this other room, didn't they?
Don't be shy. It's okay.
Did Patrick watch?
What's her name? Are there any slaves in this house right now? Who are the kids that are in here with us? Adam, are you with them? You guys are being goofy. You're being goofy.
Micah, did they hurt you for what you did to this child?
Does anyone in this house need our help? Yes, you do?
CVP 6.
Was there somebody in here?
Y'all need a verter. In this place, we debunked the
I'm going to take a picture. And if you understand...
There's a plastic piece in my ear. It's like a